Hi, this is Electronics. In this video I will show you how to measure with multimeter and what cautions you have to take if you want to measure safe. First I'll show you the direct current voltage measurement. You have to select a higher value than the measured voltage if you want the meter to do the measurement. If you don't know the approximate voltage, just measure with the highest value, in this case with the 1000 range. In the high voltage case, make sure that the meter is rated for the high voltage and be careful measuring it. After this, the resistance measurement comes. The story is similar, just select the range and measure. The next one is the continuity measurement. This multimeter is equipped with buzzer, which is very handy. I do recommend buying a multimeter with continuity buzzer. This multimeter can also measure temperature with a special probe. The next is the transistor tester. Just place the pins of the transistor to the corresponding holes and it will display the amplification factor of the transistor. These are the current measuring ranges. When you measure current, you have to be careful. You can't measure it like the voltage or the resistance. The connection must be broken so the current can flow to the multimeter. That is why in a circuit you can't just simply measure current, because it can make short circuit and damage it. When you are selecting the range and what you want to measure, for example voltage or current, you have to make sure that the probes are not connected to the circuit, because when you go through the current measuring selections, it can make short circuit while the circuit is supplied with voltage. I recommend to buy a multimeter which has separate connection holes for measuring current, so you can't make short circuit accidentally. Finally, the alternating current voltage measurement. You can measure alternating voltage source, but be careful, this can be dangerous, so make sure that you can't come into direct connection with the source. Thank you for watching, leave a like if this video helped you how to measure with multimeter.